Hey guys, here I am again. We got another project. I got another important appliance in my house that's not grounded, my furnace. I'm out here going over my shopping list in the truck before I go in just to make sure I haven't forgotten to add something to it. Fritz was kind enough to email me, look up and email me all this stuff from Home Depot from the website, and I printed it all out. So he said that's what he does, so he doesn't forget anything. And if he gets in the store and there's a question, he's got right there, got the SKU number and everything right there. So that's a good idea. So I appreciate you doing that, Fritz. So I'm going to get in here and get my supplies. And hey guys, finally got everything together to make me a hat cam. Got my scratch awl, my 6mm by 1.0 by 12mm bolts, 6mm by 1 hex nut, and my sacrificial hat. And I'm going to review, this is Fritz gave me this idea. He's been using one for a while and it looks really like a really good idea. I'm going to watch this video again here about and review how to make this right quick before I make mine. Make sure I get it right.
While I was in there, man, I see me this Dasco Pro here. It's a USA made scratch off. And I used to hang my sheet metal at dust. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this scratch off here. I'm going to take my union sheet metal cap here. I'm going to find center. And I'm going to job it on in there. Job it on in all the way. I'll come back from the other side. Job it on in. Take my crescent wrench. Get that dude on there. We'll tighten her up. Okay, Ray, looks like we're going to start on project 2 here. You said you didn't have ground in that furnace, right?
No, there's no ground.
Okay, and right now we're confirming that it's hot.
It's hot. I got my tester in there.
You don't even have a switch in that furnace either, do you?
No, it's just, the only way to kill it's the breaker.
Okay, well let's run in there, Ray, and kill your breaker real quick and let's confirm it's dead.
Oh.
That's hat cam, baby. Ray done got him a hat cam. Okay, Ray, that's it, brother.
Okay, the power's off.
Okay, buddy. All right, man. Let's go ahead and get that freaking wire out of there. Just go on and take that wire out and undo everything. Looked like you didn't have like the grounds to the unit weren't even hooked to the box or anything.
No, they're not. They're just loose in there. See, they're not even in there.
Okay, we'll straighten that out.
Can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
I'd say right about there, center of it, right there.
Okay.
Now, I'll see if I can
drive your line all the way down that thing. That thing is the center of where that fitting's coming out of your furnace. Okay, so go ahead and take that line all the way up to the ceiling.
Yeah, I made sure it was level, yeah.
Okay, Ray, looks like we've got everything disconnected in there. We need disconnected. And we went ahead and we got our line. We tried to center our line coming up from where the fitting was inside your furnace. So you actually drew a nice level line up. Let's see what we got there, Ray.
Yeah, we started right there, level line up the wall.
And we went ahead and Ray got up in the attic and we made sure we didn't have any freaking wires. Don't never blind drill anything. That's how you get electrocuted. Okay? Ray ensured there wasn't nothing up there. There's like the only thing that was kind of partially in the way is his cable coax. But I think you'll be fine, Ray. Take that new drill bit, that wicked drill bit you bought, man.
Oh yeah.
And,
I got it ready to go.
Up through there, but don't go nuts, man. Just try to penetrate it, maybe just barely penetrate it. Is what I'm saying. You have like, I believe when we looked at it, you had like a good 4 or 5 inches clearance on that cable.
Yeah, I just barely go through that piece of drywall with it. Okay. Okay, got the hole drilled and tested it. It's perfect fit for the seal tight.
Yeah, 1-inch drill bit worked out good.
Oh man, that. I'm glad you have told me about that. That would be something to have there.
Alright, man, we're ready to rock. Let's pull some wire, Rick.
Alright. Okay guys, I'm up in the attic again. Gotta pull some more wire. Today I'm just gonna wear my strap-on headlight because I don't want to carry that light with me. Y'all have already seen all this back here anyway.
Here I go.
Okay, I'm back up here guys. Got my wire found that I poked up. There's the plenum and all the ducts, so I can't get over in there, so I'm going to have to try to tuck it in here, and there's the hole back in there, see? Fritz is down there on the computer right here. Anyway, let me get this wire pulled out of here, guys. Check this out, guys. I'm finding all kinds of fun stuff up here. This is a duct they tied in to go to my bathroom register. It's not even fastened into the duct. Good, look at this. There's a huge hole in it. I got to come back up here and patch that. That's a direct air leak. Not even screwed on there. Gosh. Not even screwed on. Just loose. Man, oh man, that's shoddy work. Look at that. Not even sealed around it or nothing. Good grief. Okay, guys. Hey, guys. I've actually me and Fritz have got into rewiring my entire panel here just about. I kind of forgot to make video, but until now I'm giving y'all an update. We got to rocking and rolling, and I got lost on making the video. But we're fixing all. I had wires coming in through holes that didn't even have. We got that one. Both of these were coming through this one hole. We got this one in its own knockout and secured in there, and I'm putting another one here for this other one. We're going to pull it back through, and this one's going to be. We're actually reusing this one. I pulled out all the wiring for the window ACs that were in this house. This is them right here. I'm going to pull them out completely out, and this one's going to be. They're all going to be coming through. Hey guys, I removed two of these breakers like this. These double circuit breakers here. I'm just going to go back with single breakers because I don't really need all these circuits. Those window AC, that's going to free up like 4 places on here. So I may leave that one for now. Well, if I've got enough breakers, I'll go ahead and change those out too. Anyway, we got all these wires out of the middle of this, and just going to show y'all in the light here.
Daggone, Ray, man. We done rewired the box, boy.
Well, I know it, man. We got into the
center hole.
This turned into rewiring nearly the whole house.
A lot of that wire was sitting on jagged steel. No fittings in it. Look at the box now.
Yep, there was 2 of them coming through there. Well, here's the new one. What I just run. We pulled out those old window AC wires that come through this hole, and now we got the ream furnace new wire coming down. We're just going to reuse that existing deal there and come right in here. And it's going to be right in the same place it was last time, except on a single breaker.
Man, that is fantastic, getting rid of all that nasty freaking 1940 wire.
Yeah.
Ain't that something? We get rid of that stove, but we'll do that later. That's for another time.
Yeah, it's been like that for 52 years. It can wait another couple of weeks, maybe. Alright. Okay, guys, got the wire all in, got the neutral and ground hooked up, and I'm fixing to put the new breaker in. Wire back out of the way here. Okay, see, that's what the dryer was on. It's on these 2 that were hooked together. And I'm going back with one of these, the real kind of breaker that ought to be on there. Okay, now the dryer's got a new breaker too. Matches the ream. They're both 30 amp double pole breakers. And only got 1, 2, 3 original old breakers left. I've replaced every one in this panel except for that main, and that one goes to the stove and the wall oven. But me and Fritz may do something with that later on to get those piggybacks out of the way, but it's been like that since the house was built, I think. So anyway, we got the ream wire hooked up. The ream wire new furnace breaker is right here on top, and we are ready to go. We got work to do in the house though. Well, Fritz is still with me here. He's hung with me all day.
All right, man, we gotta go get.
Yeah, I gotta go get a box now, don't I?
All right, Ray. Looks like we got that daggone panel wired in as best as we could.
Man, it's a lot better than it was this morning before we started.
Dude, man, you did such an incredible job. I can't. It's it's tighter than Dick's hatband, okay?
Yeah.
That's all I can say.
Well, I appreciate the help.
Let's go ahead and take care of our hair volunteer. It's kind of hot there right now, ain't it?
It's 77 in the house right now. That's not too bad.
All right, bro. Let's we've done drilled our hole up. We've got our wire down.
Yeah.
Let's go and put our seal tied up and do our thing.
Okay. Got it right here.
All right, bro. Let's take care of it.
Okay, got the box mounted. Now we're ready to run our seal tight down to the box through the Romex and on down to the furnace. Man, that's tight. I'm gonna go nowhere. All right, we're gonna get that in the top of that box up there. Yeah, we're almost there. Okay, we got the seal tight run and got our high voltage with a ground run down here now, coming out of our box. And we're ready to work on the bottom part, going from there to the furnace. Fritz is still hanging with me. He's a good friend to be hanging with me all day and help me out like this.
Look good, Ray, man. This is next level.
Yeah.
Stuff. We're taking it out. We're bumping
To the furnace, guys. It's almost alright, guys. Done. Check this out. The ring furnace now has a ground right here. That green wire's been in there for years, but never been connected to anything. Now it is. It goes all the way back to the panel. And it looks darn good too, don't it, Fritz?
Good job, Ray. Take it to the next level, brother.
Alright.
We'll get our switch receptacle in here where we turn the furnace
Okay, here's my hot coming in from the panel. We're going to put it right here on this switch receptacle so the receptacle will be hot all the time, even when the furnace is off. Even if the disconnect switch for the furnace is off, it'll be hot. Okay, got the switch wired in. Got our wired in down there. We're ready to turn the breaker on, Fritz.
Man, that looks good, boy. You got a switch receptacle up in there,
Yeah.
man. We got a ground. Everything's fine. Let's do it. Let's go high.
I'm doing it. Turn the breaker on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna test my outlet here and see if it's hot. Fritz said it'll be hot even with the switch off the way we wired it. So. All right, we're hot. Yeah, when I turn that switch on, we're gonna have some cool air blowing in here, and it's 79 degrees now. Here we go. Fired right up. We're running with the ground, buddy. Running with the ground. Thank you so much, Fritz.
Rock and roll. Man, dude, you come up today.
And I appreciate it. Now all I got to do is clean up the mess. Okay, guys, I got it all buttoned up. It looks good. I am so proud of this. Look at how neat that looks. Fritz stayed with me, and we did it his way, and it come out perfect. Look at that. Perfect. I'm gonna go back. See, that's how it goes in the furnace right there. The old Romex there. I'm gonna get that old Romex out of here. That circuit's been disabled. I'll completely pull it out of the box, and I'm gonna go up and fix some of that stuff that I showed you in that other clip next week or so, and get all that out. The hard part's over. It's looking good now. Look at that. So proud of that. Fritz is still with me too.
Oh, Red, you did such an incredible job, dude. I'm so impressed, man. It's beautiful. And man, your panel box too. Everything is tighter than Dick's hatband now, man.
Thank you very much for helping me all day. I appreciate it.
You're more than welcome, brother. You're more than welcome.
Okay, guys, this is my closing shot for the video here. Thought I'd do it at the panel here, man. Look how good that looks. I decided to go ahead and take that paneling down so we could get to all those wires. I'm glad Fritz talked me into that, or suggested I do it, and he said he'd help me figure out how to put it back up there and get some new base or whatever I need to do there. But I'm glad I did that because we got all those old wires pulled out of there and got all the new ones put in the right place. Everything's coming in through the right kind of thing there, and everything's looking good. Look at this. I placed this breaker here. The dryer's got a new breaker. That's the central vacuum, got a new breaker on it. My garage, my detached garage, got a new breaker. And of course the furnace, the most important one, it got a 15 amp. It's only 15 amp in the panel now, everything else is 20. Anyway, guys, I'm so proud of it. And Fritz stuck with me all day, helped me out. He's my good friend, I tell you. So anyway, guys, that's my video. Thanks for watching, and over and out.